Hey, what's up fellas? That's mechanic mode. A quick video about how to take the starter out from a 2021 BMW X7. So let me show you. So guys, here is the brand new starter. I gave the old one to the dealer, so they brought this one brand new starter, which, let me get it closer to you guys to see the part number. Is right here. It's a brand new starter, I'm repeating myself, and it's made in Italy. Yes, all these only three bolts is connecting the starter to the engine. So this is the cover, which I removed to take care out, to be, to make it easier to remove the starter. So here is the starter. It's placed on the lower right side of the engine. It's nearly to the wheel pan. As you see, get farther right here. See, this is the front of the car, and the starter is right here. And to be honest, this is very easy to be removed. Not like before, the BMW were making the starter on top of the engine. I mean, on the left side from the side, and it was under the intake. That was a big mistake, I mean, it's not a mistake, but it was really hard to get there. So it was really hard to get there, right, to remove the starter. But not this one. This is a 2021 BMW X7, and it's much easier to take the starter out of this car. So yeah, let me put it back and you can see it. So we got here E10 and then a long extension. So we're gonna just tighten it a little bit, make sure all of them are staying right. All right, you tighten it a little bit with the gun. Just a bit, not all the way. Right. Right here, all good, everything is connected. Alright guys, that was a quick video how to install the starter on a 2021 BMW X7. So if this video helped you, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're first time on my channel, then give my channel a subscribe, because I really take video every week, so I'm going to help you to fix your car too. If you have any questions about any cars, just put a comment below this video and I'm definitely going to answer. So any questions, any car, anyway, I'll try to help you. So alright guys, take care and see you next time.